Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today is Saturday. I thought I'd do a little vlog today. I'm actually on my way to take my nephews them to get a haircut. So we don't have much planned for today. I need to go to Sam's Club for sure. I have some packages from Amazon to unbox, so I'll probably unbox those with you guys. And then that's about it today. I don't really have much planned. I'm just sitting out here looking at this tree that fell in our yard, or like branch of a tree. Well, no, I don't know. We're gonna see. Let's see. So this is the tree. I thought it was like a branch, but it looks like an actual tree that fell. Yeah, there was like a storm coming through somewhere. But look at this tree, y'all. Big branch, whatever you would call it. Yeah, it fell from, I don't know where it came from. Anyways, it's big as crap. So yeah, we'll get ready to go. I'm about to move my car, and I'll see you guys later.
All these leeches, now I'm not blind to it. Yeah. Get you done or we gon' run or watch me come up off of my music. I just make 10 in a week. I could make 10 in a day. I just make 10 in a week. I could make 10 in a day. I'ma wake up on the beach. I'ma wake up in the A. I never been to LA. I might fly to LA. I'ma get rich on pain.
Okay, y'all, so we just got back home. And I'm gonna unbox some packages with y'all that I got from Amazon. And we did go to Sam's Club, but I didn't film in there because there was way too many people in there today. It was like totally overcrowded. Plus Princeton was doing a little too much. And my mom went to get some household items, so I couldn't really film because I was trying to watch him and help her at the same time. So yeah. So right now I'm just sitting here actually editing my try on haul video, so you guys will see that before you'll see this video before you see this video that I'm filming right now. So you'll see my try on haul video before this one. So yeah, I'm just sitting here editing on my iPad. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox some stuff that I bought. Oh, and I have something to show you guys before at the end of this unboxing. So yeah, I ordered this off of Amazon. We're gonna see what we have. I know I ordered something for Princeton, and he's outside playing right now because I didn't want him to see it because he would just go crazy over it at the moment. So I ordered him an alphabet paired card, some little toy kit. So it comes with all of these things that you see here. So we're gonna open it up and see what's in there because he's gonna want to play as soon as I get there. So yeah, it comes with wooden letters and numbers. These may just be letters. Oh no, it's letters and numbers in there. Okay, so cool, different colors. And then it also comes with cards, and the cards have letters on them as well. And I think you can probably put these in here. So this has like letters. So this is like letters and colors. And then it has like an animal that starts with the letter that's on the card. So like vulture. V is for vulture. And so we have like color blue, rabbit, R, and then rabbit on the back. So pretty cool. So he's going to be excited for that. He's outside right now. So we're gonna play with this in a minute. And then we have this package here. So we're gonna see what's in here. Okay. struggling. I think this may be for Princeton too. Yep. So he has a Minnie Mouse like toilet seat. He's potty trained and somewhat still getting potty trained. So I got him that seat because, you know, when you use like an adult toilet, they kind of sink down in the bottom of it. So I got him that Minnie Mouse seat. It has handles on it to help him, you know, hold himself on it. And it's easy cleaning. You just pop it apart like that. So yeah, easy cleaning. If I'm not mistaken, I think this goes in there. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. But yeah, I thought that was cute. So we're gonna put this over here. And then I also ordered him a Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse step stool. So it's just to help him like when he's getting on the toilet or brushing his teeth or just reaching for stuff. So yeah, I got all of this off of Amazon. I will link this in the description box down below if you're interested for your kids, if you have kids. And then here's the last package we have from Amazon. And I think I ordered myself some stuff in this one. I'm not sure. I think I did. But we gonna see. I need to stop shopping. I love to shop. But I buy beneficial stuff though. Okay, so like now I purchased these premium bamboo compression socks because I am on my feet 10 hours a day. And so I have plantar fasciitis. So I got the socks for that as well. And then I also got these, you know, because of muscle fatigue. So I'm going to try these out at work Monday when I go. I'll leave you guys a review if you'd like. And then I picked up a pack of wig caps. Well, it's like 10 in a pack, yeah. Also, let's see. I bought myself a new wig, a headband wig. So here we go. We're gonna see what we got up in here. This is a headband wig I got on, but it's curly, but it's all matted together. I need to wash my hair. I haven't bought myself a wig in a while. Oh, this is cute. So this is a headband. It's like cheetah. Is this cheetah print? Yeah, cheetah print. That's cute. So it comes with a wig care or a thank you card. Sent me a thank you card. And then it comes with a wig cap. 2 wig caps in here. And if you guys hear any kind of rumbling in the background, it's thundering outside. It's about to rain. So I'm trying to get this video. Ooh. So this is my headband wig that I ordered. Oh my God, it's pretty. So let's take the net off. And I think this is Body Wave. I'm not sure. I'll link it down below. So if you guys are interested in going on Amazon and looking for this exact same wig. And this is 22. I know this is 22 inches. I remember that. Oh, it's silky. I'm going to have to really straighten my hair or, you know, it's not going to be showing anyway. So, ooh, that's pretty. So here is the wig. This is a pretty wig. Okay, so far it's not shedding, even with me running my hands through it. It's not shedding. So from top to bottom, let's give an overview, or top to end. These are the ends. This is cute. All right, this is the inside of the wig. So the actual wig cap thing. So we have Velcro, and it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3 combs. So it has 3 combs. There's a comb. There's a comb right there. And then there's a 3rd comb. And then it also has adjustable straps in the back. So if it's not tight enough for you, you can always adjust it. This wig that I have on, it didn't come with this adjustable strap. So I'm kind of glad this one did. So yeah, this is the wig. This is pretty. Yeah, it's not shedding. So let me know if you guys like this wig. I'm excited to put this on. I don't think I'm going to put it on today. Today's Saturday, and this video will probably be uploaded tomorrow, which is Sunday, or Monday. So, yeah, there's the wig. It's very pretty. It's not shedding right now, so, yeah. Well, there's a piece of shedding here, but that's not much. I've been sitting here messing with it, but this is cute. I'm digging this wig. Y'all, I'm excited. Let's see. Oh, this is gonna be pretty when I actually put it on. Oh yeah, gonna be pretty. Y'all, look. Okay, so yeah, because when I put this on, I don't think I'm gonna have much hair out. Like with this one, I have like this much hair out, but I think when I put this one on, I'm gonna just leave me some edges out. Put me a cute headband. I'm gonna put me a cute headband on. Yep. Y'all think I look cute with this? It's gonna look better than this when I actually put it on. I just got it on top of my head. So if I wanted to kind of... Oh, that's cute. Oh yeah, that's cute. All right, y'all. So that's all that I got from Amazon. I got one last thing to show y'all. I made a big girl purchase. So I told you all we went to like a mini vacation. We went to Florida. We went and visited my dad and some, a lot of my family there. And we had a really good time. We had an awesome time. I'm ready to go back. So we went to the outlet mall, Vineland Outlet Mall. We went in Michael Kors. I wasn't, that wasn't my plan. I was just going to the Nike store. My sister was like, let's go to Michael Kors. Okay, yeah. Y'all know how expensive Michael Kors is, but if you want it, you buy it. So I made a big girl purchase. I'm so excited. So I have a Michael Kors purse that my aunt bought me for Christmas 2 years ago. So I bought this wallet right here. So if you guys can see that, it's like dark brown. So I bought this wallet. Cute wallet. So we're gonna open it up. So this is how the inside looks. Bunch of card slots for like credit cards, debit cards. You have room, there's a slot there. There's another slot there. Then you have room here. Another slot there. Yeah. And of course you have room in the zipper back here. Yeah, I got this wallet for a good deal. This wallet was originally, can y'all see that? $278. Yeah, $278. But I got this nice little wallet for $79, but $84 total. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but let me see. I'll probably zoom in on it. $79, $84, including tax. So that was a steal to me. I was like, I'm getting this. I saw the signs up under there that said 79. I still wasn't sure. I was like, hold on, let me ask somebody if this is, really $79. The lady was like, yes, all of these are $79. They did have a deal where you can get like a big handbag or a medium-sized handbag, a wallet like this, something else. It was like a big handbag, a medium handbag, a wallet like this, a mini size wallet, and then they were giving like this small free item away. Like it was big enough for you to put like chapstick in or your AirPods, stuff like that. So, and it was like 4 items for $2.99, but I didn't need all of that. I was perfectly fine with this. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you guys that I got. I picked up this, so I'm so excited. I need to put my stuff in it. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as what I got. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel because it's free. Why not? I would like for us to be friends. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.